Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are good and safe. God bless you all. Now let's sing a poem. I can see right, I can see left, I can see right, I can see left. Hello to you, hello to you. I look at the ground, I look at the sky, I look at the ground, I look at the sky. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Thank you, children. Today we are going to learn beginning letters. Which picture is this? This is a picture of fish. Starting sound is F. F for fish. What picture of this? This picture of drum. D. Drum. What picture is this? This picture is of kite. K. Kite. K for kite. F for fish. D. Drum. K for kite. Activity number 1. Write the beginning letter. Fish. F for fish. Umbrella. U for umbrella. Orange. O for orange. Rose. R for rose. Igloo. I for igloo. Cattle. K for cattle. Activity number 2. Write the beginning letters in your copies. Fan. F for fan. Tap. T for tap. Cat. C for cat. Rat. R for rat. Bat. B for bat. Man. M for man. Thank you, children. God bless you. See you tomorrow. Bye.